Having had an impressive approval rating since stepping into politics in 2007, the governor has taken a liking with city residents, making this term in parliament as governor his third. Vocally known for his active City Amazing Port Moresby program, the governor has taken his interventions to new heights with his yoga and health regimes, active involvement with the unemployed in the settlements, driving his fight against gender violence and human equality. His hosting of the governor's Gala ball last night with the business community of Port Moresby was a highlight towards embracing social interventions.
Last week, we launched the Active City Development Program. These social programs are important to providing opportunities, skills, and pathway for young people, especially those who are not able to continue within the formal education system. This, together with many other programs and intervention we have in place, are critical to both our city and national outcome.
Indicating an age gap that 70% of the city's population is below the age of 30, making this a challenge for the city, but further assuring that the Commission is doing its best to reach out to the young population.
That gives us a very big challenge, how to cater for all these young people. And in our city, in your city, you can be assured that we are doing all we can to reach out to our young people, to integrate them, provide platform for them, pathway for them to keep on being in the positive pathway to a better future.
Highlighting also that the Commission has activities lined up for 2020 which will need the support of the business and corporate communities.
These programs and events are an integral part of our strategy for transformation. They are designed to inspire and capture the imagination of our people, to be proud of their city, and for our children to grow up in an environment that is filled with joy, inclusivity, no matter the gender, tribe, status, or educational background. The events are intended to bring our people together to celebrate and be proud of our city and develop civic pride and a sense of responsibility. It is our social and infrastructure development that are crucial to turning the tide for our city to be really a livable and prosperous one.
Outgoing Managing Director for Oil Search, Peter Botten, was the keynote speaker at the Governor's Ball, who emphasized on the efforts of the Oil Search Foundation supporting the Governor's initiatives for the city.
We're very pleased to be a founding partner of Bellisi PNG in Port Moresby, which works to provide women's protection, a project very, very close, I know, to the Governor's heart. And it really is an absolute pleasure to stand here today and be supporting the Governor's initiatives, groundbreaking initiatives in this area. Since starting operations 2 years ago, hundreds of women have sought services from Bellisi and have received help at critical times of danger and stress to them and their children. A true partnership between the private sector, governments, donor agencies, making a real difference to people's lives.
Ending his speech with his lasting memories as his tenure with Oil Search comes to an end.
It'll always be about the people I've met, the vibrant cultures of our communities, our wonderful committed staff that have created our blue DNA, which goes to support the social development of Papua New Guinea as well as the economic. The privilege and ability to get up in the morning, come to work in this wonderful country and be able to make a positive impact on people's lives is what's driven me, and I have been so lucky to have had the opportunity to make some small difference. It's been an absolutely fantastic ride.
Annette Cora, National MTV News.